ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखिया बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पेज नंबर 568। नेति नेति शब्द in this iti na in this way we should understand. Neti neti means iti na. Iti means all these what was said earlier. Like I said, prakrita paramarsha in tika it is given yasya upapadanam arabdham tat. Prakrita means that yasya upapadanam arabdham tat prakritam tasya paramarshitva is there in iti shabda. And therefore when you say itina, so what we are doing is what was said before this neti neti. What was said? Murta amurta. So murta amurta nisheda is being done. That's what we read in the tika, fourth line. Iti shabdasya prakrita paramarshitvat prakrita murta murtader anyatve brahmano nakara paryavasanam kim iti na ishyate tatraha. अन्यथा ही नकार द्वयेन प्रकृत द्वय प्रतिषेधे यद अन्यत प्रकृतात् प्रतिषिद्ध द्वयात् ब्रह्म तन्न निर्दिष्टम कीदृशम तु खलु इति आशंका न निवर्तिष्यते। अन्यथा ही नकार द्वयेन प्रकृत द्वय प्रतिषेधे by neti neti this prakrita dvaya is murta amurta. Yad anyat brahma which is different from that prakritat pratisiddha dvayat. Pratisiddha dvaya is murta amurta. Different from that brahma, if it is not shown through this method, tanna nirdishtam कीदृशम tu khalu iti ashanka na nivartishyate. Then what is the nature of brahma that shanka would not go away? Because the topic began by saying, I will teach you Brahma. I will teach you Brahma, but if you do some gesture, you wake that up, and then you discuss Murta Amurta, if you don't come to Neti Neti, by which everything is not negated, how will I know what is the nature of Brahma? Kidrisham Brahma. This Ashanka will not go. Tika. Ashanka Nivritti Abhave Dosham Aha. Okay, so what happens if Ashanka doesn't go away? He says, तथा च अनर्थकश्च सनिर्देशः पुरुषस्य विविदिशाया अनिवर्तकत्वात्. Then entire process of teaching has become futile. अनर्थकश्च सनिर्देशः पुरुषस्य सनिर्देशः. Why? पुरुषस्य विविदिशायाः अनिवर्तकत्वात्. Because that vividisha nivritti has not happened. I wanted to know what is Brahma. You did everything else. But, and then you said, I will give you Upadesha, Athata Adesha. But you didn't do Neti Neti. Then, Vividishayaha Anivartakatva. Purusha Vividisha Nivritti has not happened. टीका अनर्थकश्च इति चकारेण समुचितं दोषान्तरम् आह तथा च अनर्थकश्च अनर्थकः च what is that chakara for that second chakara so he says it is for samuchaya with another dosha what is the dosha doshantaram anya dosho doshantaram or anya dosho doshantaram anya dosha what is the anya dosha ब्रह्म ज्ञापयिष्यामि इति च वाक्यम अपरिसमाप्तार्थम स्यात् you said I will teach you Brahma but that conclusion has not happened because you have not communicated what is Brahma. So neither the students' jignasa about Brahma would go, nor pratigna purti would happen. Uktam artham anvaya mukhena samarthayate. The same meaning he gives through anvaya. Anvayam mukhena samarthayate. Yada tu sarvadikkaaladi vividisha nivartita syat सर्वो ही सर्वोपाधि निराकरण द्वारेण तदा सैंधव घनवत् एकरसम प्रज्ञान घनम अनंतरम अबाह्यम सत्यस्य सत्यम अहम ब्रह्मास्मि इति सर्वतो निवर्तते विविदिशा आत्मनि एव अवस्थिता प्रज्ञा भवति. 24 नंबर टिप्पणी you see उक्तम अर्थम इति अन्यथा ही इत्यादि भाष्येण in the bhashya it is given अन्यथा ही which we started today अन्यथा ही नकार द्वयेन अन्यथा इत्यादि भाष्येण व्यतिरेक द्वारा उक्तम that is the व्यतिरेक otherwise what would happen अद्वैत शास्त्र तात्पर्य अवधारण पुरस्सरम श्रोतुः नैराकांक्ष्यम का दीर्घ एवरीबॉडी फाउंड नैराकांक्ष्यम नैराकांक्ष्य रूपम नेति नेति इति निर्देशस्य सार्थक्य रूपम प्रतिज्ञा वाक्यस्य परिसमाप्तार्थकत्व रूपम च अर्थम इत्यर्थः. अद्वैत शास्त्र तात्पर्य अवधारण पुरस्सरम अद्वैत शास्त्र तात्पर्य means where is the tatparya of Advaita Shastra. This avadharanam is the objective. Avadharanam means ascertainment. Advaita Shastrasya tatparyasya avadharanam puratah kritva. Purassaram means first that objective is in mind. With that in mind, Shrotuhu Nairakanksha Rupam. श्रोतु है आकांक्षा व्हाट इज ब्रह्म नेति नेति इति निर्देशस्य सार्थक्य रूपम प्रतिज्ञा वाक्यस्य परिसमाप्तार्थकत्व रूपम च अर्थम. नेति नेति निर्देश व्हाट इट विल डू इट विल गिव द सार्थक्यम टू अद्वैत शास्त्र तात्पर्य अवधारणम श्रोतु नैराकांक्ष्यम एंड प्रतिज्ञा वाक्यम प्रतिज्ञा वाक्य से परिसमाप्ति. All three will happen through this neti neti. What is the first one? Advaita Shastra Tatparya Avadharanam will happen because Advaita Shastra Tatparya is in Brahma. Means Jivasya Brahmatva. Second, Shrotu has Akanksha. What is Brahma? You might have heard. So that Akanksha will go by this Adesh. And pratignya was there, brahmate brahmani. So that also parisamaptartha tattva rupam cha. In this way, it is Arthavat. यदा तु सर्व दिक् कालादि, सर्व दिक् काल आदि पदेन 14 नंबर टिप्पणी देश. What is the Atmabodha shloka? दिक् देश कालादि
अनपेक्ष सर्वगम शीतोष्ण हृद्यादि
शीतादिहृन् नित्य सुखम निरंजनम. Then Atmabodha.
यस्वात्मतीर्थं भजते विनिष्क्रियः सर्वगतो मृतो भवेत्.
यस्वात्मतीर्थम भजते विनिष्क्रियः स सर्ववित् सर्वगतो मृतो भवेत्. So here you see that which is beyond Digdesha Kala. That is Digdesha Kaladi Anapeksha Sarvagam. That is Brahma. Where Desha, Kala, Disha, all this importance is not there. There it is for Tirtha. So in this shloka it is Swatma Tirtha. Swatma Tirtha is the biggest Tirtha. Vividisha Nivartita Syad. The Vividisha for all of that will go away. Nivartita Syad. Sarvopadhi Nirakarana Dwarena. When all Upadhi Nirakaranam happens, then Vividisha will go. Tada. What is the nature of Brahma? He says, Saindhava Ghanavat Ekarasam Pragyana Ghanam Anantaram Abahyam. All these words are from Brahadaranyaka only. Saindhava Ghanavat. Brahma is like Saindhava Ghana, means there is nothing else. Nothing Vijatiya. Ekarasam means there is no Swagata Bheda. And Pragyana Ghanam Anantaram Abahyam. It is to show there is no Sajatiya Bheda also. Basically, all three Bhedas are eliminated. Vijatiya, Swagata, Sajatiya. Anantaram Abahyam. Jati Vyakti Rahitam. In that way it is given. In Tippani, Jati Vyakti Rahitam. But Maharaj Ji has used this elsewhere also. Brahma is Jati Vyakti Rahitam, that is true. But how Anantaram Abahyam Shabda will indicate Jati Vyakti Rahitam. There is nothing inside it. Or it is not inside anything. It is not outside. So it is not Jati. Jati is within all and it is not outside. Means it is not Vyakti. In that way it is taken properly. Satyasya Satyam Aham Brahmasmi iti. And it is Satyasya Satyam Aham Brahmasmi. It is Sarvato Nivartate Vividisha. Sarvataha, all types of Vividisha will go when Brahma is pointed out in this way. So because this is the Tatparya of Upanishad, he has taken it from different places. Saindhava Gana Upadesha is in 4:4. Chaturtha Brahmana, Chaturtha Adhyaya. Ekarasam. Pragyana Ghanam is somewhere else. Anantaram Abahya is Dvitiya Adhyaya, Panchama Brahmana. Satyasya Satyam, Tritiya Brahmana. Aham Brahmasmi, Prathama Adhyaya. Like that he has given all. Not only Vividisha Nivartate, Atmani eva avasthita prajna bhavati. Aham Brahmasmi, this jnanam also will come. Tika. सर्वोपाधि निरासेन तत्र तत्र विषय वेदन इच्छा यदा निवर्तिता, when all upadhis are negated, tatra tatra vishaya vedana ichha yada nivartita. Vishaya, this is the biggest problem. Vishaya vedana ichha. Vishaya vedana ichha means anatma jignasa. What is happening there? What is there? Over here, there, this, that, this person, that person, this is all Vishaya vedana ichha. Vishaya vedana ichha will go when I know all Desha, Kala, Vastu, everything is from Brahma only. Brahma is Jagat Karanam. That Brahma I am. Then Vishaya Vedana Ichha Yada Nivartita. Tada Yathoktam Pratyak Brahmaham iti Nishchitya Akanksha Sarvato Vyavartate. Then this Akanksha will go. Sarvato Vyavartate. So here what we should understand, if Vishaya Vedana Ichha goes, then Aham Brahmasmi knowledge will come. When Aham Brahmasmi knowledge comes, then Vishaya Vedana Ichha will go for good. But if I don't eliminate and suppress this Vishaya Vedana Ichha properly, Aham Brahmasmi Jnanam will not come. That's why he said, Yada Vishaya Vedana Ichha Nivartita, Tada Yathoktam Pratyak Brahmaham iti Nishchitya Akanksha Sarvato Vyavartate. Tena Nirdeshasya Sarthakatvam. Then Nirdesha will become Sarthaka. Yada cha uktaritya Brahmatma iti eva prajna avasthita bhavati. But when by this method that is taught, neti neti uktaritya Brahma Atma iti eva prajna avasthita bhavati. I am Brahma, not Panchakoshatmaka Sharira. Tada Pratignya Vakyam api Parisamaptartham Syad iti yojana. Then Pratignya Vakyam also will culminate, means its fulfillment will happen. Vipsa Paksham Upasamharati. So Purva Pakshi had asked, why Nakar Dvayam? So he said, Tasmad Vipsartham Neti Neti iti Nakar Dvayam. Neti Neti is for Vipsa. Vipsa means everything is to be negated until you come only to Prakashaka of negation of all. Tika further. आदेशस्य प्रक्रम अननुगुणत्वम् आशंक्य अनंतरवाक्येन परिहरति. आदेशस्य प्रक्रम अननुगुणत्वम्. When it is said athata adesho neti neti, this adesha is not following the prakrama, means upakrama. Upakramasya ananugunatvam. It is not following what was done as pratigna. Means how, what he is saying, it is clarified in Bhashya. See Bhashya, it will become clear. Nanu महता यत्नेन परिकर बंधम कृत्वा किम युक्तम एवं निर्देष्टुम ब्रह्म. You took so much effort and you said, now I will tell you Brahma. And you started saying, athata adesho. So, oh, Upadesha is coming. And you said, neti. So everybody is like what are you trying to teach? Because everybody thinks how Brahma will be revealed is through some Vidhi Vakya. Like how Bhagavan said in 13th chapter, Yeyam online, what did Bhagavan say? 13th chapter, Yeyam.
ज्ञेयं यत् तत् प्रवक्ष्यामि
Yes.
यज्ञात्वामृतमश्नुते अनादिमत् परं ब्रह्म न सत्तन्न सदुच्यते.
Bhagavan said, Nyayam yattat prabhu. I will tell you what is to be known. What is that? That by knowing which? Amritatvam. Yad jnatva amritam ashnute. So then everybody is alert because everybody wants amritatvam. Then Bhagavan said, it cannot be called sat. It cannot be called asat. So then, mahata parikaravandena yatnena Kritva kim yuktam evam nirdeshtum. In this way, if you say, is it appropriate? Purvapakshi is asking. 4 number tippani. Mahata ityadi hai. Brahmopadeshaya athata iti shabdabhyam. See tippani. Don't go on writing. Just because you have pen and there is something, you go on writing, go on write. 4 number tippani. Brahmopadeshaya athata iti shabdabhyam. Athata, he started mahata prayatnena upakaran kalapam sampadya api neti neti iti evam eva brahmopadeshtum yuktam kim? Question mark. Yuktam kim? Question mark. Naiva yuktam. No, that is not appropriate. Why? Upakrama virodhat ityartha. Prayatna mahatvam tatparya purvakatvam. Prayatna mahatva, there should be some tatparya. Here it doesn't look like it. Purvapakshi is asking. Siddhanta says Bada. It is okay. It is correct. This is how we are going to teach. Athata adesho and then neti neti. You wanted something big. There is nothing big. See, there it is given na sat tanna asad uchyate. There by sat you can take murta, and by asat you can take it is neither murta nor amurta. That way you can do nishedha of everything. Nahi yasmat iti. Now you see, pay attention to this vakya. Kasmat, Purvapakshi is asking. Nahi yasmat iti. Neti neti etasmat iti. Iti vyaptavya prakara nakara dvayasya vishaya nirdishyante. Nahi yasmat iti neti neti etasmat iti iti. Nahi, nahi pratika is from mantra. See in the tika. Nahi iti pratikopadanam. Where is the mantra? What page number? 553.
54 Swamiji. First one.
Nahi etasmat is given. Nahi etasmat iti na iti anyat param asti. This is how it is given. So nahi is taken as pratika first. He means yasmat. So see the bhashya line. Nahi, he means yasmat. Yasmat iti नेति इति न इति नहीं यस्मात् ही मीन्स यस्मात् then इति न because we have to say it in that way only. इति न means like how we said yesterday, this entire Bhagavad Gita shloka, then iti means all these. So prakrita paramarsha. So iti, all these, na. Iti na. In this way, ghato na, pato na, everything when you go on negating. Etasmat, iti etasmat. This etasmat is there from the mantra. Then iti, twice iti is there. Iti means of this neti, this. So iti na, by that vipsa, all the things which are there, vyaptavya prakaraha, where the nisheda is vyapta, vyaptavya prakaraha, nakaradvayasya vishaya, they all are indicated. Vishayaha nirdishyante. See tippani number 6. यद्यपि श्रुतौ इति न इति सकृदेव पठितम तथापि निषेध द्वय अनुवाद अनुरोधात् विवक्षित्वात् आह. In Shruti, iti na is given once on that 140 page, not 140, 554. Na hi etasmat iti na iti. Only once it is given. So he says in Tippani, even though it is given once, but Nisheda is done twice, neti. So that you have to follow. So there are two iti. Iti na, vir vivakshitvat. Iti na, iti etasmat. Nisheda vakyastha iti shabdartham aha iti. Nisheda vakyastha iti shabdartha is iti. Iti means 8 number tippani. व्याप्तव्या इति विषयी कर्तव्या यावन्तः पदार्थाः ते सर्वे नकारद्वयस्य विषयाः सन्तो निर्दिश्यन्ते. All the objects, what all things will become vishaya, they all are vyapta by this iti. Means they all are included in this nakaradvaya nisheda. Nakaradvayasya vishayaः सन्तो निर्दिश्यन्ते. इति कृत्वा नेति इति एतस्मात् निर्देशात् अन्यत् परम उत्कृष्टम निर्देशनम हि यस्मात् नास्ति तस्माद् अयमेव निर्देशो ब्रह्मण इत्यर्थः. Then this, there is no param utkrishta nirdesha. This is the highest way of communicating Brahma. Yes, tasmad ayameva nirdesho brahmana. This is the upadesha. Because Purvapakshi said, you said I will tell, then this is what you said. Couldn't you give any better way? This is the best. Tika. Yasmad iti asya hi shabdarthasya tasmad iti anena sambandha. So yasmad is there, nahi, he means yasmad. Its sambandha is with tasmad. Tasmad is there on the next page. In Bhashya, first line. Tasmad ayameva nirdesho brahmana. Therefore, this is the nirdesha of Brahma. Everybody found where tasmad is? Just connect yasmad to tasmad. व्याप्तव्याः संग्राह्याः विषयी कर्तव्याः ये प्रकाराः। व्याप्तव्याः संग्राह्याः विषयी कर्तव्याः, they will become the विषय विषयी कर्तव्याः ये प्रकाराः। So all these, whatever becomes the Vishaya, all of them are pervaded by this. Vishayi kartavyaha, ye prakara. Te nakara dvayasya vishayaha santah. They all will become Vishaya of this nakara dvaya. Nakara dvayasya vishayaha santo nirdishyanta iti. Neti neti etasmat iti anena bhagena iti yojana. By this part, in the mantra, if you see the mantra, on 553 you see, Athata Adesho Neti Neti is given, 553, at the end, Athata Adesho Neti. Thereafter, in 54, Na hi etasmat iti na iti. Na hi etasmat. Na hi means yasmat. Etasmat iti na. Then this. So everything, the whole Brahmanda is covered in itina in this. Itina iti anyat param asti. There is nothing superior to this when it comes to Upadesha. So all the Vyaptavyaha, they all are included in this. Anena bhagena iti yojana. Iti shabdabhyam व्याप्तव्य सर्व प्रकार संग्रहे दृष्टांतम आह. दृष्टांतम आह. I think there are something else is written, so remove. Just make it drashtantam aha. In vyaptavya sarva prakara means all the things which have to be included in this nishedha. Is there any example? He gives example in Bhashya. Yatha gramo gramo ramaniya iti anyat param nirdeshanam nasti. This is the example. Gramo gramo ramaniya. Each town is beautiful. In Tika, he explains what this means. ग्रामो ग्रामो रमणीय इति उक्ते राष्ट्र निविष्ट रमणीय सर्व ग्राम संग्रहवत् प्रकृते अपि इति शब्दाभ्याम विषयभूत सर्व प्रकार संग्रहे नकाराभ्याम तन्निषेध सिद्धिरित्यर्थः. ग्रामो ग्रामो रमणीय, each town is beautiful iti ukte, in that rashtra, in that nation, rashtra nivishta ramaniya sarva grama sangraha, all towns are included in that country. In the same way, when it is given neti neti, na iti na means the vyapaka or the vyaptavya will be what? Sarva means murta amurta, all that prapancha will be vyaptavya. Like here it is given sarva grama sangraha tadvat prakrite api iti shabdabhyam विषय भूत सर्व प्रकार संग्रहे नकाराभ्याम तन निषेध सिद्धि इत्यर्थः. विषय भूत, so its विषय becomes all these padartha सर्व प्रकार संग्रहे, by the nakarabhyam tan nisheda siddhi, all of them are negated ityartha. So nisheda has such prayojanam. In Bhashya, tasmat ayameva nirdesho Brahman. Therefore, this is appropriate way to indicate Brahman. There is nothing wrong. टीका यथोक्तान् निषेध रूपान् निर्देशात् अन्यन् निर्देशनम् यस्मात् ब्रह्मणो न परम अस्ति तस्मात् इति उपसंहारः। यथोक्तात् निषेध रूपात्, the way the nisheda is done here, neti neti, then that निर्देशात् अन्यन् निर्देशनम् यस्मात् ब्रह्मणो न परम अस्ति, then that other निर्देशनम् यस्मात् ब्रह्मणो परम न अस्ति, other than Brahma there is nothing superior, tasmat iti upasamhara. So that yasmad and tasmad which we saw earlier, nahi, it is given, right? Nahi yasmad brahmanah param asti, tasmad. Means actually what he is saying is, other than Brahma, there is nothing Satyam. Because if you say, I know Brahma different from Murta, Amurta. But Brahma alone is Satyam. That's why it is Param. Brahmanaha Param na asti. Because it is Satyasya Satyam. Everything is Satyam, this is Satyasya Satyam. So other than Brahma, there is nothing. Therefore, everything can be negated also. Otherwise, why would you do Nishedha? यस्मात् ब्रह्मणो न परम अस्ति तस्माद् इति उपसंहारः। अथ इत्यादि वाक्यं प्रकृत उपसंहारत्वेन व्याचष्टे। 8 नंबर टिप्पणी न परम अस्ति इति। ननु कथं ब्रह्मणो निर्देशांतर अभावो विधि रूपस्यापि संभवात्। विधि रूप निर्देश is possible. Why you say there is no other way of निर्देश इति चेत् यत् परतत्वं ब्रह्मणो निर्देष्टुम् इष्टं तत्र यावन्तो मूर्तादयो निर्देश योग्यास् तेषां नेति नेति इति निरासात् न विधिमुखं तद्बोधनम्। विधिमुख बोधनम, this we already saw in Bhashya. Vidhimukha bodhanam is possible only if something else is there. All of them are negated. So then Vidhimukha is not possible. Now Vartika is given. Adi dikshitam etasya tattvam yad brahmanah param yavantas tatra nirdeshyas tertha sarve nivartita. Adi dikshitam etasya tattvam यद ब्रह्मणः परम। यद ब्रह्मणः परम तत्वम, because the lower nature of Brahma has all these upadhi, that is sopadhi, but param Brahma, which is didiksha means
darshitum ichha.
darshitum ichha. Dish, you see, darshitum ichha is okay, correct. Darshitum ichha. So up to that point, yavantah tatra nirdeshyaha te sarve nivartitaha. All of them are negated. So therefore, upasamhara was done through tasma. Atha ityadi vakyam prakrita upasamharattvena vyachashte. Now, athata adesho neti neti, that vakya upasamhara is being done. Upasamharatvena vyachashte. Yaduktam bhashya. Yaduktam tasya upanishad. Satyasya satyam iti evam prakarena satyasya satyam tat param brahma. Yaduktam tasya upanishad. Upanishad means this rahasyam. Pradhanyaka 2:120. Satyasya satyam iti evam prakarena. Evam prakarena means in टीका it is given ukta prakarena paramartha satyam param brahmaiva atha ato yuktam uktam brahmana upanishad. Therefore it is appropriate that Brahma is called Upanishad. Satyasya iti seshwaram sajivam bhuta bhautikam jagat sarvam. षष्ठ्यंत सत्य शब्दार्थ तन्निषेधावधिभूतम परमार्थभूतम सत्यम नेति नेति इति अवधारितम परम ब्रह्म प्रथमांत सत्य शब्दार्थ इति उक्तार्थम एतत्. फर्स्ट सत्य इज जीव जगत इंक्लूडिंग जीव एंड जगत एंटायर इंक्लूडिंग जीव एंड ईश्वर एंटायर जगत सेश्वरम सजीवम भूत भौतिकम जगत सर्वम. षष्ठ्यंत पदम षष्ठ्यंत सत्य सत्यस्य. So that is all included in first Jiva Jagat Ishvara. And second Satya Prathamanta is Brahma, Paramartha Bhutam Satyam, which is the Nisheda Avadhi Bhutam. एवं प्रकारेण सत्यस्य सत्यम तत्परम ब्रह्म. In this way, Brahma is Param Brahma. Ato Yuktam Uktam Namadheyam Brahmano Namaiva Namadheyam. Therefore, it is appropriate Namadheyam Brahmana. Namadheya means this Lakshana. Nama means Namadheyam. Nama means here Lakshana. Kintat, what is that? Satyasya Satyam. This is the Lakshana of Brahma. Satyasya Satyam. Pranavai Satyam. Tesham Esha Satyam. Iti. In this way, Brahmano Nirdesha is done. And in this way, Dvitiya Adhyaya Tritiya Brahmana is also complete. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashyakutau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.